Everyone dreams of financial freedom, but only a few actually achieve it. The difference lies not in luck, but in knowledge, discipline, and the right mindset. In this video, we'll break down what true financial freedom really means and how you can start building it today. Achieving financial freedom is something many of us aspire to. It's about having the ability to make choices without being limited by money. Imagine traveling anywhere you want, spending more time with your family, or pursuing your passions without worrying about your bank balance. For me, financial freedom means living life on my own terms. Reaching this goal before 40 may sound ambitious, but with the right mindset and strategy, I believe it's possible. I've seen people reach financial independence in their 30s, and I'm determined to join them. It's not just about saving money. It's about creating a stable, fulfilling, and financially independent life. The idea of financial freedom matters deeply to me because I want to enjoy life without constant financial pressure. I want to give back to my community, support my loved ones, and live with a sense of peace. This journey is worth every effort, and I'm excited to share it with you. Many of us face the same roadblocks on our path to financial freedom, and I'm no different. Debt is one of the biggest challenges. Whether it's credit cards, student loans, or mortgages, it can feel impossible to move forward while paying it down. I've experienced that struggle firsthand, and I know how discouraging it can be. Another major issue is the lack of savings. Living paycheck to paycheck makes it tough to prepare for the future. I've been there too, wondering how to make ends meet. But I've learned that even small, consistent savings can build real momentum over time. Financial literacy is another challenge. Most of us weren't taught how to manage money or invest wisely. I had to learn through trial and error, and I'm still improving every day. Then there's the struggle with financial discipline. It's easy to get caught up in spending and lifestyle upgrades, but I've realized that living below my means is the foundation of long-term success. Investing in the stock market can feel intimidating, but it's one of the most effective paths to financial growth. I've started exploring investments and plan to share what I learn along the way. Creating and following a budget is another game changer. It keeps me mindful of where my money goes and helps me make smarter decisions. Building multiple income streams is also essential. I've started exploring side hustles, and I'm excited to see how they can accelerate my journey. Setting clear financial goals keeps me focused and motivated. Having a plan transforms financial freedom from a dream into a concrete objective. So, what strategies really help us move closer to financial freedom? Budgeting is one of the biggest. Tracking my expenses using the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt, has completely changed how I manage money. Investing is equally powerful. I've started contributing to a retirement account, and it's encouraging to watch my investments grow over time. It can seem complicated, but the key is to start small and stay consistent. Starting a side hustle has been another powerful step. Freelancing has helped me generate extra income and build valuable skills that could grow into something bigger. Building passive income streams is crucial too. I've begun exploring dividend stocks and digital assets that can generate ongoing income. Creating a long-term financial plan helps me stay focused and measure progress. It's like a roadmap that keeps me moving toward my bigger vision. Avoiding lifestyle inflation is equally important. As my income grows, it's tempting to spend more, but I've learned that true wealth comes from investing the extra, not spending it. Surrounding myself with people who share similar financial goals has made a big difference. It keeps me motivated, accountable, and inspired to keep going. There's also a powerful mindset shift that shaped my journey. Understanding the real value of passive income. Having money work for me, instead of me always working for money, has been life-changing. It allows me to earn while I sleep, travel, or spend time with loved ones. Passive income has opened doors to pursue my passions and take smart risks aligned with my goals. It's taught me to focus on assets that generate cash flow rather than just saving endlessly. I've also learned that achieving financial freedom is more about consistency than perfection. Even when progress feels slow, every good habit compounds over time, and that's where real change happens. Another thing I realized is that financial freedom isn't just about numbers. It is about peace of mind. It's knowing you're in control of your future, not living paycheck to paycheck, and building something lasting for yourself and your family. To recap, achieving financial freedom before 40 takes focus, patience, and a solid plan. You need a budget, investments, and multiple income streams. You also need supportive people around you who share your vision and values. Financial freedom is possible. I'm on that path right now, and I truly believe you can be too. Together, we can make this journey about more than money. It's about building a life we love. The key takeaway: financial freedom is within reach if you're willing to plan, commit, and stay disciplined. I'm dedicated to reaching this goal, and I hope you'll walk this path with me. If you're working toward financial freedom too, share your goals in the comments. Let's inspire each other to keep going. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on building wealth and achieving true financial independence.